Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to transform this series into this one. And we have like this. Next, n to the power of 3 we change by n, and n. And now n divided by n plus 1 divided by n, 2n plus 1 divided by n. And now we have like this. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we can simplify like this. And we have 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.